Mukhang yung Parblo, guys. Kapir niya yung ano, ayan no. Kapir niya yung isang ano, parang Ewing to. Pares to, guys.
A few minutes later.
Tulungan mo yung baba. Yan. Ay, kakalang bato eh. Yan.
Adik, nakita tayo. Bakit ba? Ako yung nga ni. Tama. Nandito na ako lang.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that? I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on her tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
So guys, walang leg band. Ang yung parang kak yung size. Dapat papaliguan muna natin mga to guys eh. Pero sama ko na sila dito sa flight cage ng mga ano yung mga Lutino tsaka yellow bull ko dito. Lalagay ko na lang sila, diba? Iiwalay ko na lang sila kapag nagkaperan sila guys.
Chico! Chico! Chico!
Ito guys, yung Parblo Opa, yung 2 beses natin nahuli. Yung unang beses nakawala. Ayan guys. Parblo Opa. Parang babae yung size niya. Wala din siya dagban. Ayan guys. Lagyan natin dito. Bali, 2 na yan guys. Ito. Ito guys, yung yellow bull. Sana magano to, no? Split ino. O kaya split ino, split opa kung mas maganda. Pero kahit split ino lang maganda na. Parang kasi yung size eh. Wala din siya leg ba, no? Ito magandang ipang pair sa mga dito ko, sa mga Lutino ko tsaka yellow bull. Na split ino. Ano? Parang nagmo-molt siya. Nagmo-molting stage na siya. Ito na yung ay. Ruy, sakit. Kaya natin dito ay. Ito guys, yung blue Ewing. Ang opa din. Ay. Out. Ang opa line din guys. Parang yung size niya parang cock. Saka base sa Ewing warp. Medyo madungis nga lang yung ulo pero di naman masyado. Sakto lang. Ito guys, maganda. Maganda ng ano. Isang green Ewing Opa. Ayan yung buntot. Malinis. Ganda. Green Opaline. Green Ewing Opaline. Ayan guys. So ito na yung mga huli natin. Nakalima tayo guys sa isang araw lang. So